Hello everyone, this is Lucy and in this video I will show you how to turn your photo into an anime character using Canva. So first you need to create a platform. You can just select anyone. So I'll just go ahead and click on posters. After that, it will create a poster here. From the left hand side, you need to go to uploads and upload your photo. So here I have this photo. Now I'll just keep it here for a second. Now, next what you need to do is go to apps and search for Animify. Animify is spelled Animeify, so make sure you have the spelling correct. After you locate this app, you need to click on it and click on open. So after that, you need to click on Animify and replace. Wait until this bar gets loaded. Now, in your poster on the right hand side where you work has the picture that you animified just now. And here guys, it's that simple to create an anime character through Canva. Also make sure that it has a time limit, 1 credits a day, so make sure you use this wisely. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.